Hey, Fred.
Oh, hey, Larry.
What you looking at? What the heck is that?
I think it's some kind of diseased person.
Hey, do you have a disease?
I don't think he heard you.
Hey, do you have a disease?
Are you talking to me?
No, you're just a fat person.
Hey, the fatter you are, the skinnier you are. Because the more skin you have.
Well, that guy was weird. You guys, this is just an apple.
Oh, so I guess it's just an apple.
I guess so.
Hey, the fatter you are, the more of you there is to love.
Yeah, we're not talking to you anymore. Go away.